Today's math lesson will be talking about comparing capacities. Capacity is just a fancy word that means how much does this container hold. So you will need this sheet to go with your lesson 13.6, page number 671. Now I tell you, when I took my paper out, I had a different sheet and I had to look at the next lesson, 13.7, to find this sheet that I needed. So you might have to do the same thing. Keep looking until you find it. They're called capacity sort cards, and get them all cut out and ready. Now before I begin our lesson, I want you to take a look. We said capacity means how much does the container hold. See our button bin here? And look at the paint. Look at them. Which container holds more? The buttons, you're right. It's bigger, it holds more than our little paint container from our art easel. Now look at these. Thank you, Jameson, for letting us use your pencil box there. Let's compare Jameson's pencil box to our Lego bin. Look, which one holds more? Which one holds less? Yes, the Lego bin is bigger, so it would hold more. Jameson's box is smaller, so it would hold less. Now look at our crayons that sit on Mrs. Daniel's table. You see them? Can you tell which one holds more and which one holds less? Yes, you're right. The green container holds a lot more than the purple one. Yeah, more and less. So remember, capacity is just a fancy word that we use to say how much does a container hold. So take a look at your sort cards. We are going to sort them by which ones hold more and which ones hold less. So how about our bathtub? And we're comparing them to this bucket here. Think of a bucket. Okay. Does the bucket hold more or the bathtub? All right, the bathtub holds more than the bucket. So we're going to put it down here with the word more. How about this pot here? Okay. That's a little bit hard to tell. So you might need to go get a small pot from your kitchen or have mom and dad hold it up and let you see it. Yeah. And this is just a small pot, a small pan. So it's going to go up here. It holds less than this bucket. Okay. How about this barrel? More or less? Down here on the more side. This looks like maybe a lunchbox, you think? Or a little purse? So you ladies who have a cute little purse, which would hold more, the bucket or your purse? Yeah, the bucket would hold more and the purse would hold less. Okay, how about a spoon? You're going to eat some cereal today. So which is going to hold more? The bucket or the spoon? Yeah, the bucket holds more, the spoon holds less. All right, can you tell what this is? At first I thought it was a sink, but then I looked closely at the details and I saw that there were little stairs that go in, and this looks like maybe a diving board. Yeah, so a swimming pool, Does it hold more than the bucket or less? Yeah, it holds more. So I would like you at some point today, look around your house and see if you can find some containers like I did here and tell which ones would hold more and which ones would hold less. All right, let's go on. Take a look at Newton and Descartes, and Newton is saying, my yellow bucket holds more. So he circled the bucket. It holds more, okay? And here is Descartes, and he is thinking holds less. His shovel would hold less. Let's make it sand. His shovel holds less sand. The bucket holds more sand. So I am going to slash his shovel. All right? We're going to do the same thing down here. Compare this measuring cup and this scoop. Circle the item that holds more, slash the item that holds less. More, less. Did you get the answer? All right, now look at the recycling bins down here. You see them? What do you think? Does one hold more and one hold less? Really look carefully. Look at the details. It looks to me like they're both the same height and they're both the same width. So I'm thinking they probably hold the same. Is that what you were thinking? The only thing different about these two recycling bins are the colors. This one's blue and this one's green. And the color doesn't change how much it holds. It just makes them look different and pretty with the colors. So circle the thumbs up if they hold the same amount. Circle thumbs down if they hold different amounts. So you should have circled thumbs up. They hold the same amount. All right. Put your finger on little green apple number 1 and look at these two items, compare them. Here is a shopping bag and here is a Ziploc baggie. I want you to circle the object that holds more, slash the object that holds less. Now I'm going to give you a head start. Do all 4 of these. More and less. Okay. The green bag holds more, the baggie holds less. Look at the pot and the pan. This pot holds more, the skillet holds less. Okay, I'm looking at the sand boxes. Yes. This bigger sandbox holds more. This little sandbox holds less. Now we have a wastebasket and a trash can. That's kind of like Mrs. Daniels' wastebasket next to her desk. And then when Mr. Moreno comes in, he has a big trash can that he gathers all of our trash. So the trash can is bigger, it holds more. The wastebasket is smaller, it holds less. Now look at the milk cartons. They both have milk in them. You see that? But look closely. Do the milk containers hold the same amount? Did you notice that this one is skinnier? Did you see that? And this one is wider. Yeah. This holds 2 quarts and this one holds a whole gallon. So are they the same? Thumbs up. Do they hold the same amount? Or thumbs down if they don't. You should have circled thumbs down. Yeah. So since this one holds more, we're going to circle it. This one holds less. I'm going to slash it. All right. Look on the back. It says you are going to go camping. Circle the backpack that can hold all of your camping supplies. and tell how you know. Okay? So really look at both of these backpacks. Which one would hold everything you'd need to go camping? You're right. This one holds more. This one holds less. Circle and slash. You know this one holds more because look at all the pockets and look at its size. It's much bigger than the green one. You know, this green one reminds me of the bags that we put our rest mats in. Some of you have a drawstring bag just like that. All right, take a look at the bottom. You are going to school. Circle the bag we are going to slash the bag that will not hold all of your school supplies. So look, here's a Ziploc baggie and here's a backpack. Which one would not hold all of your stuff? Now think about your Bible, your folders, your pencil box, your books, everything, your journals, everything you had in your desk. Would it fit in this tiny little Ziploc baggie? Absolutely not. So you need to slash the baggie. And what should you do to the backpack? Yeah, circle it. Your backpack is big enough for you to put all of your things inside of it. Now, here's your homework sheet. Let me get it in front of you. Write your name and number neatly. And again, we're going to do the same thing on each of these items. You're going to do this by yourself, but look up here in the box because I'm going to give you a direction that's not in the directions down here. So I want you to circle the item that holds more, slash the item that holds less. Okay, and then tell somebody at your house why. How do you know that this mug holds more than this teacup? Yeah, it's bigger. This one's smaller. And then look at the vases. Circle the item that holds more, slash the item that holds less. Do the same thing down here, and then on the back side, you are comparing these two items. Really look carefully, and you're going to circle thumbs up if they hold the same amount, thumbs down if they don't. And then tell somebody in your family how you know. Down here it says your class is going on a field trip. Oh, if they're the same here, circle thumbs up. If they hold a different amount, circle thumbs down. Down here we're going on a field trip. Okay, circle the vehicle that can hold your whole class and tell how you would know. I bet you know the answer to that. We went on a field trip together, didn't we? We had a lot of fun. All right, this sheet goes inside your red homework folder. I hope your red folder is able to hold some more work. Bye, friends.